Asante kwa tokono no. Soni ebedi akwa abwa ho. Etione tone sakra bwa. Ya di etibato. Asabne pretitio. E pretitio mankma. Adia no ya fa nto de da.
Abacha wote menka. Imano Jeffy. Afedi ye na ima se onte menka. Afedi ye na. Ima afedi ye ana still na onte menka. Yeah. Me bacho any day kwan so obaso na why dey na mo share amaye. Ene ba beka in some 1 or 2 bi de bia me ka kire mo me be say me hu say motia because he must say I can't hear you. Yeah, it's okay. So that means the sound was disturbing. Me bo enyom no na me be bo nyom sa ti ma me yima say obeti sound na.
Le frato odman kwa ba die oba sante kotokofo okwa afrana nanom yakwa no ose.
Yo, DJ Ozo. Yo, DJ Ozo. Experiencing world music.
Na property di eti pempem. Confirm baby of team to media. I am kwasa kotoko. Kwa na se tuno no. Aye kunimado aje. Aye kubu aferi o. Anasa wa be kunime no.
All right, so BBI boko. I think that they were talking said the music was loud, so me that's it. Ah, nana. Boko there.
Boko.
Na de nekutawe. Ai nyanya no. Aha, nana e de nyanya no aba. Nti na wadaro mafagua. E na be ka e nana no mo nsem tu. Opa kwa ma ka akofa e betra na. Omusa question. Still na on to on. And one no. Said the one no feel we drone there. Also for no. And one no. Yeah. I say your voice is too low, Dominic. Meba. Let me check. All right, you see na Your voice is too low. The music is too loud. Okay, I'll stop the music. And then what about my voice? Is my voice okay now? And then yeah, make it in some 1 or 2 be and check a crack. And then you know, music volume is fine, but when you talk, we couldn't hear. Okay, Dominic, me that say now. Now everything is fine. Thank you very much. Now everything is fine. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now we na me hwehwe no ye de aba nti mama fa bi engu me kon ho na ye nkasa because ene Saturday ebi mu kwa wensa ebi it's okay now. Okay. All right. Nti we nyanya. We nyanya. Much better, David. Yeah, David, I see you. BBI, okay. Mon share mame. Why? Na montagi muniano. Endra, me ye video bi. Na video na me ye no. When I watch it back, I was like 11K people. That's and I come almost 12K people that watched the video yesterday. And if you are here, Sherry can ship to Ireland. I see bit my and you are here, and then today you are here again, and you want to listen the words of wisdom. When I talk about words of wisdom, I simply means the words of your ancestors. Yes, I can ship it. The words of your ancestors, you know. And Rami, video be me decoding your today. I watch it and 11K people. That means 11,000 getting to 12,000 people need knowledge. So 12,000 people watch it, right? And if you are here today and you still want to listen to some, big up to yourself. People are thirsty for knowledge. Listen, Ayonu Afeu Eric, I welcome. Topic, you know, minimum babeko school, and school na babeko no. We a popular request. Gone were the days. You started ya show. Name mono internet no edru baby ana ya choke kakra. Edru baby ana ya choke kakra. Nti mefa menyanya no. Amefa menyanya no. Engu mekom mu fefe. ena yebedi enkomo kakra afanyanya no ah yebedi enkomo kakra afanyanya no tuba pe wo onua bi a ope nananom ensem wo onua bi a opese oye conscious ah wo onua bi a sebi Yesu Kristo ne Muhammad wetie bia onpe bia etie anase the person knows that he or she has been deceived tienie onim se wo deceive na ope ensem foforo bi etie na my friend words of wisdom Yesu Kristo oba best and I said God according to your Bible no. Now sometimes we have to use the Bible. When we are using the Bible no, it doesn't mean say I believe in the Bible. It means say what dia wusu wujidi no sa wogen say dia make no say meboa ene I am referring you to dia wujidi no say kwenekotie and I said dia wujidi no sample na oyeden oreka akere wo nti ene we enyenya ene guo. My two topic can say connecting with our ancestors and the gods. TNA. Connecting with our ancestors and the gods. Now the gods, you know, ebi eye Mmoatia, tie, ebi eye insumu gods, ebi mu eye enremu gods, ebi mu eye enua gods, ebi mu eye embobamu gods, ebi mu eye fire gods, tender gods. All together, no, I call it nature gods. Because ewo bibi biara a ebomu afei sa wuche Bible ni Quran ni dia o say ti Nyankopon ebo ade no ana o say ode ne honhom ena ebo ade nyina ade a ena bibiara a ewo wiase abode biara no honhom den atimu wadawroma you are doing very well Shady thank you very much mama enye me ba ena ebedi nkomo na aya wo question so a montronto course we school na ede mu beko ah we school Anna, I'm going to check. Yes, we school. Anna, you because don't make someone share my medase. Why? We school. So they make a ceremony. You better go school ka crazy, ah? You better go school ka crazy. To be pena why they wash it. We are going back to our roots now. Yeah, started agrono. I think right now the BBI okay. Grand Rising. Ofori mensa bidiakon. Ofori mensa bidiakon. Grand Rising. Ashe. Oba pena wasanso ashe amawunia. Na waka achese na Shady is back. Every time be na ye de enwa kote na yesua de kakra because one thing I always speak or I always tell myself and I say sorry. The more I learn, the more I say it is good. Okay, right. Okay, and start here. Now, the more I learn, the more I realize I haven't learned anything. The more I learn, the more I realize I haven't learned anything. And in Tobizuka say, addition it doesn't have an end, which I believe in that. Now, emrebi muno na yengina ye Christopher, emrebi muno na yengina ye Muslimi for, emrebi muno na yengina no ye disa two religion yechi. Nemo mono ye ko school so ye kire yen say there are three main religions. Being the Christianity, the Islam, and the tradition. Now, the Christian, the tradition has what? Taken over. And I say, I'm not dominating. Why? Because they enslaved us. The memory, you know, they be said the brain is like a memory. And I say a memory card. And I say pen drive. And ya wuna ufidi no. Enti ya wu to Christo suma automatically. Ubaye Christo ni. Ya wu to Muslimi mua. Automatically ubaye Muslimi ni. Omo so ya wu omo to bosumsumu. Mamenka ne sa de yina beti asiye no. Ebeye easy no. Omo so automatically ombe bosumsumu for. Now, in kremosumni Christo sumni na dominant. We were forced. Yesterday I did a video and I spoke about why we should go and I said Jesus or Muhammad never helped us. Indra video me kind I'm a nipa 12,000 mesa kabim amoye no mede o ma she enti and you are here for knowledge I share topic no enie we are connecting back to the gods and then our ancestors. We are connecting back to the gods of our lands and then our ancestors. When we talk about the gods of our lands, Namadin can actually say, Ebi aye nature. Our ancestors believe that nature is God. Enti sebio or say, Ebuono oyenyame, or say insuona onom no oyenyame, or say enfremana or homeno oyenyame dia. That means nature is God to our ancestors. Now, how do we connect with them? And no ane babekasa. So the topic, connecting with your ancestors, the gods. Before we will start, me, the I can say, and never be a match, I was what say, I see. Never be a matcher no e was say ote ase ansa na ba wakwa akoye. How do we connect with them? Yewo nyoma miensa bi, yewo offering, yewo offering and answer rituals, yewo libation. Eno ana the main topic yebeka na emum na osam cheche mo nyoma ni nyina ase enti we yewo episode 1 yewo part 2 yewo part 3 yewo part 4 me chira because ugu ensana ensema obeka nyame bia obebo ensem bia obekeka no e wo se wote ase nyesa osoro ya na ugu nsane kwa tieni ye enti eye school ana ye ba abeko ana menim se ye friend saying data ne boaden wo Ghana eni nti yentimi enyusu emre bebre eni nti medru baby a metwa so ade kyen ana say the next time no ye beto aso de bia me ba ba video na e bia na enye nananom ebu on ma sometimes I speak about politics enti say politics na say obe join na wafa ne sa na emomo no when a school aye ba be ko enti matu ne din say connecting with your ancestor. You are fed up with the Jesus, you are fed up with the Muhammad. One who say Jesus na Muhammad ye be da ye dia any which of them na questions amafo ebusa me no na mo se Yesu yi a ye de be daadaye mo se Muhammad yi so ye de be daadaye dia ene hwan eho na ye nko se we don't know what to do, we don't know who to believe. Listen and listen good. Enunti ana mato topic we say connecting back to your ancestors, connecting back to the gods, connecting back to Mmoatia, connecting back to energies. Energies and your friend in our brony friend of energy. And the idea say a bosom, a be friend of spirit, a be friend of home, Ninano. Obey day and I want you ma connected. And then I'm a bachelor. Say yes to Namboa, Muhammad Amboa, the Armenia. What I am telling you, they say it is called Know Thyself. The only thing that can save you, the only thing about wants a way, and I don't want to be papa son, one kasa and not an my friend. Know thyself. Now, what is knowing yourself? Knowing yourself, no, I bet you will say, the akwesibro ni the bra ubi and your papa. Knowing thyself, nature will say, foreign things are omudi free baby, a buy no a brown, nina and your papa. Name mono, dear unanum edija wono, dear, one kasa dear, because unanum ekachere will say. Nyame, a dear obenya biana one main, and to me, unyamia one main, dear, men so me nyame. New force, yes, new force has tuned in. New force has tuned in. Into connecting back to your ancestors. Yes, you are failu, Muhammad are failu dia. Ebeye den wa bompaye bi. Empire bi mpu ewo ho. Ye wo honhom bi ewo ho. Ye wo nyame bi wo no ma ye wo se ne bompaye ana ye ho e kire ye. Ana se ye hia bibi a e wo se ye sufre no. Ana se e wo se ye go for help dia. I am telling you, it's your ancestors and then nature and then the gods. No Jesus Christ, no Muhammad. If you are an African, go back to your roots, get back to your roots, return back to your roots, because a tree without a root can never germinate. And it's why over now we need a root, no. One and I'm say attention. Let me do this example for you before we will continue. Shadie, Edwaya is way, Edwaya is way. A tintim our form and into our firm and I say our grounding. Tienio, a drea me ditch we, a tintim our form, our grounding, and into intimate and to her. Name mom side drea way, Miss Row, a dear a money essay from a new root, no, and it's a uchan the root now, a drea way, Osha Diane Bessie. This root will get down. Tienio, say Diano Uchana say uchan the root are a drea way, and your dear beam. Ebaya den ebetiato into right now ehu ennim faso. I am telling you, sir, if you are an African and then you are not going back to your root dear, why you say attention because waseno ye chefri ho into uno nam ho no uni root uni stand. Simple. That is why I am telling you, go back to your root. Going back to your root, what are some of the things? Ebini connecting to your ancestors. Connecting to the gods of the land, because without your ancestor, you will one kasane and kawunsu winni ho. And the ancestors is you, ancestors is me, because it is in our DNA. The ancestor is in your DNA, so your ancestor is your root. So if I'm telling you, go back to your root, I am telling you, go back and connect to your ancestor. Now, if I'm telling you go back to your root, what again am I telling you? I am telling you, say, go back to the gods of the land, because when you connect to your ancestors connect to the gods. Am I preaching? Bafoyan. Maybe I will be me body I was say sorry. And son about my head, Martinase. Yes. I was say sorry. And son about Matiase. Martinase. Mechiao. Maybe I will be an anonymous encounter. Me tell on catch it. Or therefore, Nana, me tell on catch up. I to be an eye, the Hong Kong. Me bagana, you know, I mean to me, with a left eye, Bafojan. Oh, shall Bafojan, or see you great work, bro. Me da say, wait, Asamwe Jano, baby jet, Black Star, your captain, Ayen Subidano, and senior brother, I know what he had no ma or no 8 and some me Rastaman we are Mabomason, and some making opinion out to say, Etina ho 8 dia, and you may say, why and the Woody science the same way, you are blessed. But say and show some love. If you are here with Bafojan, in Munyang Fui, and no tina 8 me Rastaman wait to me, and I'm a sorry, no Masatina, and I come with me wine, name only say, and yet a 3 wino and ya was soon our born. The words that come from your mouth. To none say, oh, Cassa, a casa, the other cano, a better essa amount. To go on my bones were board them, name or Cassa, and on Saquan on board them. The Cassa, and whom in here, Tina and Dynamic say, be proud of your language. Medase, Bafojan, Nananum encounter, Mr. We are young contacting on na me here kakra. Piao. It's not make catch say if I'm telling you to go back to your root, and you're connecting back to your ancestors. If I'm telling you to go back to your root, then you are connecting back to the gods, because your ancestors never forsake the gods. Edrumrebi anomu forsake the gods, you know. That is when the white man was able to enslave us. Tienye. When our ancestors, when they turned their back to the gods, that was when the white man was able to enslave your ancestors. And then to make catch us go back to your root, and never be brave, ebin so ne den. Ebin so ne say, okay, yan fa ne say, yan nananom na omo powers, ana broni ebe fa wo enkwa. And the powers are no omo wo no, ni nyina efa hen. I know you have been asking yourself that questions. Myself, when I was waking up, I was asking the question, say, enti me am free broni kromi, and am free Yesu ne Muhammad diemu. Me come na nanom we. Enya sa broni ya ode Yesu ibre. Ana be da me nana. Enti me nana ne powers na away. I know you have been asking yourself that question too. I know. Because who ko we no go back to root na ye ka kire no na nkwafo we kwa na go back yi. Enya brofo ne be da yi. So na no ma ye ko omachi. Die pa. And I make a say, we should go back to our roots, even though the white man was able to enslave us. Now, when we go back to our roots, what are we going to do over there? We are going to learn the mistakes of our ancestors. Minia, the message is short and simple. We have to go back and then learn. Understand, okay? Say no was powerful. Powerful gods way, you know. If they were saying, they were connected to nature, drone then they are. Then a brony no be that. That is question I yebusa. Now, you better than say I'm quiet and find it out. Me no be better than because the history, his story, another code no. His story, history, his story. And every story you were story it was told by our oppressors. And our oppressor no oyibo man no on power asem maka cho se broni eye abroni obi a odi yen abro. And on power asem da and the bed obeda. We need to go back and find out how these people were able to enslave our ancestors upon all the powerful gods. Be a mistake be wo. It's a mistake be wo no ma de. Are we not supposed to correct the mistake? Are we not supposed to correct the mistakes and then build on the mistake? Hey, say Ebia na so me powerful. Ana Ebia mu ye bibi wo ho bibi na wo ho na ma broni timi de na adwene o odi tuo besi yeso dadaye no eye dian ye kase ko wechi ne kohwehwa o se da bi we should move forward. How? If you don't know where you are coming from, where would you know where you are going? Hey, if you don't know where you are coming from, where would you know where you are going? It's a short. Oh dear, omu powers. Let's go and find out. Ebi amekwa find it out. Na ebi abroni ye man adie we. Ana me na na de kasa bi etu honum na oka kire he say ebi adie we nti na si ye. Adie we nti na ye abroni ni timbe de ebe dada ye. Eni nti say ye koyechi na ye ko find it out. We will see the mistake and then we will what? Correct the mistake and then what? We will build on our mistake. Am I not telling the truth? So go back to your roots. Kobe Mas. I said, nah, Poku. So I am telling you, just go back to your roots. After you go back to your roots, and some of me, you better know who. When many are the year, woman? When many are the year, woman? Your ancestors. And no one else say, going back to your roots, you can never go back to your roots without connecting with your ancestor. Why and how is it important, say, going back to your roots, no, say, yes, are connected with our ancestors? And no. And no, a special topic for ancestor, connecting with your ancestor, no, a topic. And no time make us say, where part one, when and the bra, and no keke, me church, at the quantity, say, after ye call libation now. Wohu busum ade chirenti aye busum ade kwan punti na ebo busum din busum aye boni din aye na nanom e kan po e ya de bone enya de bone de a aye dan na ye jai omachidi enti ho na bo say na busum tie eni ti say na na ye ya enu ti say broni betimi da wo enti next time no o kwa onye sa mistake ni biem. We are here to teach you the truth and nothing else. I call myself Nanaya Prekun Kwache Ameyaw. I am evangelist for my ancestors. I speak nothing but the truth from your ancestor. There is no way you can prosper. And it's in one bomb 15 years. What would you me? What Sunday, Monday to Friday? As I hear 5 times a day prayer. Oh, bre. But in Kremofon common bre. I did quite away in Cremonia over and say, Unim Kino, Udiagro. One more Mukuta run the Sarat, no more and a form of Mumbana Nimuno. Or more and Cremofona, or more bosom, a woman, or Mono Mudi. What do I say? Unim Koran and Quanako, and a Moscow Quanako, Bebre. We are Christian, son, one bomb pious, Modiana, Mode. Christopher, yea, Mobopahani. Mamabo Christopher. Manga sana de empire bono mo timi bwa ja mo djuma nyina gu ho kremoni ode ne kete ne be se wankona na waye Allah wa akoba do be 3 minutes bi aso Kristo ni de obegya akohye Achia mountains is kwa munim de wo ho Achia mountains munim de wo ho enti bosom no wo ho no ose mo ba mo be dede ose me kan chef se dede enti no ma mbe hu no mo nya hu hwe I am telling you the truth and nothing else. Go back to your roots. Me chere school where me de obekọ no me say endra me ka chere mo me kan sem bia wan hwe wo abrochi a won tena ho biem e ho nya wo de obeba fie. You might not understand the mechi now pa school where na me nko obeba fie. Cause wa wo hwe mi what na abrochi ba years hwe me be sa be break bi a chere wo. Calvin Brown or say good work bro me da say hwe e ya abrochi anema ye nyina enema nipa ye tie abrochi enema ebusua nyina ye tie abrochi enema ye ade a anka Ghana eni kwan sa anka ohia wo obi akrom because at least ebusua bia wo obi ewo abrochi show ebusua bia ewo obi ewo abrochi eni nti sanka abrochi na maye nyina ye de a eni anka nipa number of Ghanaians a omo wa abrochi no anka Ghana fo eni kwan sa anka ewo ohia na emomu no tie na tie ne ye o hwema woman mu gu abrochi no eye beye 10% ana ye omutimi toto cars esisi dan ono mpo no kakra bi no ono onimama memre ene amane a wo ye me say me the preaching bi ba on oti a obefra abrochi aba ya mamna sana wako because asema make actually we wa okwa abrochi unim se watena ho 20 years mo amutimi munim ebi atena ho 30 years ebi atena ho 5 years ebi atena ho 16 years ebi atena years up to date enkratasem eye problem ma and then unye adwuma papa bia enye but u abrochi unim say ye ka kire wo say ana unuana mo Ghana gyen say uwoska ana you are hiding behind the scenes ana also u abrochi but unim say wo bre me be say wo say enya abrochi na be ma wedi o wa abrochi o yare e wo ho a me de doctor me te him me nya course opa hwe me say abrochi for be kan no kra chere obi say truth ana start e ba no okay NK nya me che or see truth IJ or say I am watching you TC I see you Kelvin Brown Switzerland for me da se obi a share me love hwa de one more abrochi de munim enti abrochi for am hwa me nyina o me kan no kra chere o say bebre wo ho makobi da ade na me sa ba e chire I want to see truth tie me kon how life is in abroad and to me make asa minim dia me 9 AC so cause I have experienced every shit on this world. Forgive me for my word. And to make asa I speak with passion. I speak with passion because I have passed through. Mama kan chira me bo ba fo jan din sisi a ba fo jan we dia wa dawroma sa de be ya yen kwada yi a omo be yen panyinfo ya omo adwene no ya dada omo nyina bete yase enti ma memfa wonye example wadawroma ba fo jan we de me pa chawo me kwa abrochi me ba Ghana na me sisika me de beto passport kra na me ni bi ba fo jan masa sore na matena se ba fo jan ana bre me passport hey ba fo jan ana ye passport e free Ghana e de bre me tie me sanso free abrochi e ba no mentua plane ticket 1 cedi da maami bi ana ose me ka ensem no me ye panyini na me se me besa metena Ghana bia mu dia o twa me ticket e ma me drew turkey na yese covid-19 me aso de me de me se sa covid-19 me nwo ti me drew turkey ye che me ana ye de me kwa ye de me se me nwo ana me ye me nneoma keka nsem me kwa da hotel free obi ne tua ma me da ho no ma na ye be bo me bra ye ni pa 3 me nko na ye be bo me aye me de ma me mentua 1 cedi ana me de be da ne me de ba Ghana enti me I have experienced life me kwa abrochi ko hu say ay abrochi na ma ye nyina ye ho to ya me sin ko bia embre adanti na omo abrochi no kakra bi nsu na air prosper Loloba or preach. Am I preaching to somebody? Adentina abrochina ya wohono nipa kakrebi ana eden freely. Me say I know people call to me from abroad. Yari amo jari wa abrochi. Minia ana ya mareho. Enti me kasa kire mo ne say obi frame na na me pacho me yari o. Unti me obi nko ye de ndie ma me. Nko hwe me shebe dem say masa I am always working with the truth. Open ye ya tie brafie. Me say preaching no and I'm me change topic no me preach say preaching yes abrochi for no me dwane abasisi ya omo frame me say brafie na wan kasa bra we call something mama kan kire m cause mo na mo frame say mo pe emboa no we frame bibi aura na eye the energy within you enti wo honom na say suman ni si bosom ni si a your energy within you ni kura oka ensem papa na kire wo na wo be besisi na we fra ha na masa me de me say sika na o pe no abrochi wo no eye na ba wu no hey. The gods are coming on Facebook Live now. Kofi Entry. Aye. Che. Me say, baby, I'm going to be free. I say, yo, bo fear. Yeah, that means there's something hiding in life. I don't know. Some preaching no and then you start preaching na medeba. Name mono. Akwa connecting with your ancestors in the day. I was me breaking mamo. At the point I make an there is something hidden in life for any year. I make a deal with ancient. Ebia bejedi, ebia winjin ditie. Me frabro chiba no. Na me ye me na no mo nsem bo fie de odi mechi ba fo jan me sanso bodi wo mo di mechi ya. Me ba ye no na me kọ amanfo okotietie ensem. Me kọ wa de mo ni me a fie a me wo mi akonfo fie na me wo. You see akonfo fie na mete. Emfa me ho akonfo fie na mete. Akonfo fie tie na when na meko Cape Coast na meko duru Cape Coast na wahene bi wo ho nana bebi a obi ananom enka ho me refi krono din mo fa ncheme nana no tama na me wo oboase no na oba oboase a obesraye na me ne ebole na that time na me meko asore di Sunday na magya no na meko asore na no de onanam na okose masa fa ojimi fro ne ko asore me de memko opemu meka ohene pemu na ne afia okobe 70 years but me na anga me so no na me mpemfo gro ti me fra bochi ban no me hu na che ana me ko na nan ho muntie me story ona me hu sa abrochi na yesei na tie na hu me na wa wani tie watena kwanya so na matena sei na me nsa bia me de ba ya agba mamra wie me ka che na se na sisi Yesu Kristo ine asori mejai ko no ogboni trinko sa hey na fe de ba ne sen na say oh me tu kwan na me ko say broni be dada ye ne didi nkomo a na o ka kire me say eni nti na me ka jo say dwa sore ko no na nka emmomu no on say wo kwa wasan so aba e bia wan fa bibia mba kwaso onim de me de ba ye bebre na tu kwan ekọ a omo fa hyen ba enya brochi na manipa di ye enya brochi na nka Africa nimpo enya ye de no say ebedi ye na tie tete no se meboa nana boa ana nana boa meboa mo fa ncheme tie asema nana be ka kire me ne se ade kronti a hwade o on se wo ma na tete no mo kwa brochi no me wo fa kwa brochi ba hwe se be na esiesie wo mo omo nana na omo sisi dan show omo nana na omo timi agapade kese bi na oba be ye estate bi sa tetefo na omo kwa brochi no wa wutie me no tie e bia na o papa bi kwa brochi ntem o nana bi kwa brochi ntem na wa ye no obefa mu nyina mo be ye because tie ki na ewo mu no ki we kwa me fansie o di sie mo mpa dusua ben mo nananom ben wo mo mato mo twene me say go back to your root and connect to your ancestors and yes I hey masa never want me fan kire mo me fan kire me ka no tra o frame me to ko na na kubusa no because mato mo jejai aso na ka kire me no me kwa abrochi bi ma me ya ade asamako tie enti so na ka kire me ne say me nana abrochi ne enko ne saa o saa ne ekọ na ene nka yina ba sori akọ ne nka ya ba woma woma ko medi ye no bibi ewo ho eyom nananom tetete no mo ye to ho enie hwe Yakubu good afternoon so won ye betio nananom sem ni bi why na asoma ye nana ka kire me say tete no ono wanyini o ti ono ga ni fi galochi ni fie os asoma me kan kwanza wo se ko egu me Messi ye jai nioma yeguo there is something hidden in life na me nua bi kan na me be ka ba akwa kire wa wo se kra masa unima akasa unima kasa wunnim fenti na Abraham be Moshe mo fa na example oba so no o se bibie ni ho common sense afre die o se nananom cause wa ko hundie ewom o ka so wejimi to o se on de honhonsem on ka bida na emomo no memfa okra ento chacha menya wa adwene se bibie ni ho na wo de koso bompa yesa one city ajabraja so be ka kire wo kosua ba ako apetesi one city ebekum metebosum fie na me ka kire wo TC say hide the key for the meantime meboa sansen we na say wo frame brochi a na ma o say agemo o say yetime je consultation fee but me ye de che me kwa time de be che kwa me pesa won so wuyeye me pesa me nkwa medi ye aka na shedi nkanya me ni o hai kagesa mini ankadwuma me ye because me a mese me ngi Yesu ndi je ntome nioma me a mese me face the country ni nti ye mfi me wa masa ye ne de ye ne ye bre ukọ baby kwampo na unum se adwuma no na o se fa wa enam se wa ye rasta enam se bi wa ba waso enam se e bia wongi Yesu ndi no enompo de o mpa etie nti ye mfa ye adwuma te me pesa me nkuminya na pesa nka me nkwam ye ya ka me fra brochi ba ye menim de me ya medidi face the country we ka me na no say ska ka me ka bani badi but me mpa ne saa ade me tan se me ma ye na me nua bi enam ho no ma obre bebusa mase wa be ka kire wo be ka bebusa but I am wealthy and healthy I am wealthy because knowledge is power me adwene kuta me no na mo nsam na egu ma ase no ebe kakra e bia na sabi sisi na minni afafa de cars ne sa ne ebe kakra sei na me ya bo akokra no ho na me bedi me yesi na nkra no beti na me omo ma miska menu ya pe bibia o abrabo pe bibia o Ghana ha ya na me ka kire no edem say hi good afternoon continue the good work me da say great man or see true talk me say some me ba be ka kire mo no nya bi ni o enti school na me dem ukọ ti ye be connected to our ancestors na me fa kiwe ema mo na me ka de o ka kire me kwa or say nana therefore say enkonya na esi ne ho no ense na make no ense no me say da no as a movie no o twa kire me say movie o twa kire me nua bibi wo tie o say abrochi no na ye na ye kọ na ye kọ ye ni aba be sesa ye nkofo kọ no enye so o say se bi ni ho biem na say nana na eba ne sen ene say Sabe na yesi beye obaye na yesi ye de winam no me se brofo no ene asofofo no o ma da ya ma